Hi, my name is Gideon Testing. I am 17 years old. I am turning 18 in 3 months. I love acting. I love theater. I just really love doing these projects we're doing, and I appreciate it that you guys also include me into it. Wow, this is actually beautiful. I haven't seen anything like this before. You know, where there's nothing in the way, just a white, beautiful beach with white sand and crystal clear water. You know, my mother used to tell me stories about how the island has no hotels. As in, there's only clear beaches, no sound, no tourists. But now that's very difficult to find. You know, I feel like I'm in peace. You know? What do you imagine peace is like for you? For me, it's just sitting and staring at beautiful Mother Nature. Exactly what I'm staring at right now. I hope in the future that there's no more hotels being built, our beaches being destroyed, but our beaches being rebuilt, where nature flourish. I really hope for that. Haven't seen this beauty in a long time. Ever since I was little, I used to come to places like this, escape from the world. But now, don't you think it's difficult to find these days? I just want to witness this and then witness this forever. I want to lay here forever. Just me and this beautiful Mother Nature. Younger me would be very happy to know there's still some places like this, but we have to protect it. We have to keep it away from businessmen that wants to build more hotels. We should protect our beaches so our future kids can witness this beautiful, beautiful Mother Nature.